Aweh Millionaire, it's me, and I'm back with another smart trader setup, another smart trader analysis, and it's a high impact news analysis, non-farm payroll NFP May 2020. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how this trade played out. Okay, I did the pre-analysis of this trade. The trade of the day is USDCAD. I sold USDCAD. You can see over there, there's my entry price where I sold, my stop loss, my target. This trade over here was another trade before NFP, which I'll explain in the analysis if you stick into the video. But I'm going to show you exactly how this trade played out. I did the pre-analysis on my NFP live stream. Okay, so before the NFP was released, okay, I did a live analysis, okay, a live stream analysis, identifying the levels and what I thought was going to happen. And already, you know, when you trade like a smart trader, you follow the smart money, your chances of collecting those pips are very, very high. Okay, high probability of collecting those pips in the market. So if you want to know how to become a more consistent and profitable trader and learn the advanced professional tips of how to do so, then start now by subscribing and clicking that bell so that you don't miss out on anything. But as always, trade like a smart trader and follow the smart money.
Batman, Batman, Batman. Batman, Batman, Batman.
So like I said, this analysis was done already in my live stream, but just a quick recap of what is going on the chart here on USDCAD. So we have our supply level over here. Okay, we have demand level number 1, demand level number 2 over here, and then demand level number 3. Okay, I'm on the 4-hour time frame just so you can see. Again, if you want to know exactly how I identify the supply and the demand levels like a smart trader, then click on the link in the description to get your hands on the free video training that shows you exactly how to do so in 4 simple steps. So supply and demand, as always, when we trade high impact news, we want to follow the banks. We want to see exactly where the banks are at and what they are thinking, and simply trade with the banks, and then collect those pips. What else can I say? So back to the 15-minute time frame. Okay, 15-minute time frame where everything played out. So non-farm payroll was on the 8th of May. Let me go back to the 7th of May so you can see exactly what happened. So 7th of May, which is over here, we had our demand level. Okay, our demand level 1 and 2 from the 5th of May. We can see already 7th of May we had high impact news on the 7th of May. It was USD high impact news. Again, very simple trade, price coming off the supply level. Okay, coming off the supply level to go and do what? To go and test the demand level. So before the news was released, okay, it was still in no man's land. So already we knew high probability that it was going to go and test the demand level, which is why I sold on that trade. Another easy trade. There's the entry, there's the stop loss, there's the target. Again, high impact news, all about supply and demand. So that was the 7th of May. And then what happened was price blasted through the demand level. Okay, demand level number 1, demand level number 2, blasted through the demand level 1 and 2. So on the 8th of May, all you had to do was identify where the next level of demand was. Okay, where the next level of interest was in terms of the demand zone. Okay, which was at this point over here. So price blasted through the demand level 1 and 2. Okay, and as we can see, before the news, what was happening, price was starting to push back up before the news. So already we know where the smart money is at, which is at the demand level over here, and we know what the dumb money is thinking. Okay, the dumb money is seeing price go up. They want to buy, okay, because that's what the dumb retail amateur traders do. All you need to do is think what a dumb trader would do, what a retail trader would do, and you just simply do the opposite. So we saw the retail traders were induced to start buying, and we know where the price is going. Okay, we know it's coming off, blasting through a demand level, so we already know, again, it's all about supply and demand. Price is going to go and test the next demand level. Okay, it hadn't tested the demand level as yet, so we already know that the high probability direction that price was going to go is to go and test that level of demand, that interest level. So before the news, once you have analyzed, once you can see now that you want to be selling because you want to sell to the demand level, then you get ready to plot your entry, your stop, and your target. So again, entry, stop, target, most recent fractal high, most recent fractal low is what we use to plot our entry, our stop, and our target. So stop loss, most recent fractal high, and our entry, most recent fractal low. This is, by the way, okay, this is before the news was even released. Okay, before NFP was released, we already plotted the trade out. So stop loss, most recent fractal high, entry, most recent fractal low, and then, I mean, yeah, you plot your trade, click the trigger, click the sell, and then again, like I've said many times before, you let the banks do the rest. Okay, you let the smart money do the rest. Okay, and what did the smart money do? It did the rest. Okay, we can see that this NFP didn't move. It wasn't a big fast move as usual. Again, based on the current times that we are in at the moment, the market conditions are changing. So, but as long as you are trading with the smart money, then you stand a high probability, okay, of collecting those pips, and that's exactly what happened. So skibbity pap, triggered into the trade, was in a bit of a was in the red for a bit of a while. Couple of an hour or so later, boom, straight to the TP, nice and simple. And that's how you trade like a smart trader and follow the smart money. NFP May 2020. It is what it is. Another day, another dollar. Aweh, Millionaire. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell.
Batman, Batman, Batman.